Hi, I'm Daryl.
And I'm Mindy.
We're the two
Food
trippers. Good afternoon from sunny,
Bologna.
very sunny, very hot Bologna.
Hot, very hot.
We are going to go into a place where they make fresh pasta, a staple of Bologna.
We're gonna watch them make tortellini, tortelloni,
tagliatelle,
gnocchi.
And then we're going to go home and we're going to eat it. So right now we're at Sfogline, where the beautiful women of Bologna are going to make us fresh hand-rolled pasta. We're going to meet Monica, Daniela, and Rosa, and they're going to show us how to make tortelloni, and they're going to make some tortelloni for us. We're going to cook some at home. It's going to be amazing. Let's go in, Mindy.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Come stai?
Bene, tu tutto bene? People can say that our prices for tortellinis are very high, but as they see how they are made, of course, they have just to say, no, I'm sorry, I was wrong.
I am making gnocchi, potatoes gnocchi. Special, really special.
Okay.
Yes,
So I start making a triangle, and then I just pinch here and here and wrap around the finger. And this is the belly bottom of Venus. In 1325, during the battle from Bologna and Modena, so occasionally Venus went to this tavern, and while she was having a bath, he saw her from the keyhole of her room, and he saw this belly bottom. He fell in love with this shape, and he wanted to reproduce it. And this is the result.
That was really fun. We learned how to make pasta.
It was awesome. You know, very hot out here. We were in Modena last weekend. Saturday, it was like 100 degrees.
But awesome.
It was getting a little cooler. Welcome to our, okay, this is what Italy's all about. Welcome to our backyard. What do you think of this apartment, Mindy?
It's really awesome having an apartment, but I have to say the best feature is here. We're in a little garden, and we're about to eat lunch, late lunch, in our garden.
You know the best part?
It's a wine.
And I got a screw top right here.
I know.
It's like I'm back in South Africa. I'm gonna pour some wine for both of us. I think it tastes fine. So there's one for me.
Well, it's the only bottle we have, so.
One for you.
If it doesn't, we're in trouble.
Yeah, this is a Chardonnay from the Veneto, which should be very good. Yes, white with a bolognese. Maybe you would go with the red, but this is what we got.
That's what we got.
And it's
Cheers.
cold. Cheers, yes.
Salute.
Salute. Little caprese salad. We got some beautiful tagliatelle with a ragu. Now, okay, we didn't make the ragu at home. We heated it up, but listen, you gotta know us making you a ragu. I'll go with her ragu over mine.
And who made it?
It was made by Monica.
And
Daniela. You've seen just now how this was all made. We're about to eat this wonderful tagliatelle that they made specially for us, and gave us a little bolognese, a little ragu to like have on top.
You added the basil, or should I say basilico?
Oh, okay.
Because we are in Italy.
I just needed a little green to make
One
it look
thing's
good.
missing though.
What?
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Little fresh Parmigiano Reggiano.
So in addition to the pasta is like thank you to Daniela and Monica, but the salad is all thanks to Daryl. We stopped at the market right across the street from the pasta shop.
Yeah.
And hooked up with our lovely
produce vendor.
We bought the ingredients at the market. What's the market's name?
The market is Mercato della Erba.
So we got these beautiful red tomatoes, local of course, from Lucia, and she hooked us up right across the hall. We bought this fabulous mozzarella from Sfogline, a really awesome shop with cheese and meat, and a really nice guy.
Let's eat a little bit.
Yeah. We've been eating pasta all week. We've had some really great different pastas. Bologna, by the way, is the home of pasta, in case you didn't know.
Mindy, I would say it's the home
Tagliatelle.
of fresh pasta. Pasta fresca. Wow.
This is so good.
This is amazing. And they roll it by hand. They use rolling pins. No like machines this way. It makes for a consistency that grabs the sauce. Also, I think it makes the pasta more light to the bite. You know, and everybody thinks about al dente. In this case, I think it has to have almost a sort of pillowiness that makes it just absolutely wonderful.
I can taste the love. It shines through in every bite. I love it.
Love is a beautiful thing, Mindy. So we're going to keep eating our ragu, and we will be back with our final thoughts here in
Bologna, Emilia-Romagna, Italy.
Mindy had that pasta in her mouth. She just had to get through that.
Well, it's a mouthful. Well, Daryl, I have good news and bad news. Which do you want first?
The good news.
The good news is the pasta was really, really good.
All right, Mindy.
Bad news?
I think I knew the bad news.
What? It's gone!
Where did it go? Where did the pasta go?
Well, luckily, we still have wine. And we still have some more of our salada.
Yeah, well, that'll be a good finisher. A little basil,
Yeah.
a healthy tomato, nice mozzarella. You know, I'll say this again. You gotta come to Italy and eat at home even more to experience all these things. You can go out. You can buy the best cheese, the best in season. These tomatoes, oh my God, unbelievable. Some other things about Bologna though that are great. You have a night culture. This wonderful night culture. Everybody out on the street, under the porticos. If you head over to the Quadrilateral, which is right in the center of town, a little touristy, but what's fun about it is that you can get an aperitivo and a plate of the best charcuterie in
Ever.
the world.
You can sit outside and eat charcuterie and a glass of wine.
Oh, yeah.
Watch the city go by.
They even had a film series right in the Piazza Maggiore. I mean, you just can't beat this place. It's a beautiful city. We actually have a few people to thank. Our friend from Bologna Welcome, Valentina Cavalli. I mean, she knows this city like the back of her hand. We do a lot of research ourselves, but we really were able to talk to her, and she pushed us in the right direction and got us to some extraordinary meals and extraordinary places while we're here, including this experience and the experience of seeing all the pasta being made.
Yeah.
Also want to thank our friend Sylvia Gagliardi, who totally set this up for us. The people over at Blogville were wonderful. It was a wonderful experience. And
She's a great person and a great host.
Oh, yeah.
So we can't thank her enough for everything. But I have one more person to thank.
Who?
You.
Aww.
Because you did an excellent job boiling the water. Good job.
So with that kind of thank you, I think we ought to get going. For Daryl
And Mindy.
we're the two
Food.
trippers. Please give us a thumbs up on YouTube. Please subscribe, and we will continue to make videos for you, and we will eat great food and amazing food all over the world.
It's a sacrifice we're willing to make.
And that's why we eat.
We travel.
We eat and travel. All right. Cheers, Mindy, from sunny and way too hot Bologna.
Salute.